responsible.
Reminded to add that interview at 1 o'clock. It's a reminder. I was letting you
This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice.
Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday. Hope everyone's had a great night and ready for a great day. Morning, Shark. Morning, passing props. Keep dancing, my friend. Greg, good to see you. Not sure I needed that visual in my head. Let's see. It looks like we took a big drop in the middle of the night. High on ES. Oh, ES hit 6,000. ES hits. I didn't. Oh, actually, I did yesterday. I wasn't paying attention yesterday afternoon. There was something going on. So I didn't realize ES hit 6,000. But overnight, the high was 6,010. Looks like the low 59.90. That's 20 points. I can do that math. And Q 21,263 down to 21,121, about 142 points. Tipped. Good morning. Nice to see you. Copper, big dump. About 260 ticks there. Ultravond. A little over a point in range. Gold. Rising back up. Looks like about 30 points in range. Crude oil. Down toward the bottom of its range, and its range is pretty big. 30 ticks. Natural gas being ugly. Bitcoin hit another new all-time high yesterday. Almost 77,000. Now it's sitting just above 76,000. So that's where we sit, stand, or whatever body posture you're choosing to take on this Friday morning. I'm glad you're back, Tipped. APF. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that. Phidias. No, sorry. Welcome. I apologize for butchering that name. Yeah, unfortunately, FTT just wasted everybody's time. The one I hear the most about, well, the two I hear the most about is AMP and NinjaTrader. Whoa! Oh, it just popped up big there. Yep, see, everybody's talking AMP. Let's check news this morning, and let me see if there's a reason that just popped like that. Morning, Hassan. How are you on this fine day? We have Canadian unemployment at 8:30. How many moose are out of work? And at 10 o'clock, University of Michigan sentiment preliminary. Doing all right? Possible pullback here after that big burst. I like big bursting, I cannot lie. Oh crap, I don't have TradeDay ready. Forgot TradeDay crashed on me yesterday and I never brought it back up. Well, that sucks. Did you trade overnight, Hassan? And how did that go? I missed my entry there because of my TradeDay being crashed. That sucks, but we'll get the next one. Look at that nice come down. Oh yeah, look at that. Awesome. A nice little pullback down to the 20. Pulls down. Ah, big fall. Why would you want to use rhythmic? I guess rhythmic live is a lot different than rhythmic paper trading. So, yeah, okay, I'll give you that. Rhythmic paper trading has a lot of problems. Wow, look at this, just reversed on a dime and heading back downwards. Pushing down. So our low day is 121. Maybe bounce here. Sorry, I was distracted for a couple minutes. Taking the long off that blue candle. Needed to get through the 9. There we go. Target hit. We got 4.25 there, so $85. First win of the day. Still rising. Could have got more. Thank you, Chris. How are you? Still pushing up. Just kind of hanging here on the EMAs. I want to thank everyone for being here today. How's everybody doing? I see like 25 people here. Feel free to say hello in the chat. Questions and comments are always welcome. Yeah, it's been quite the week this week. FOMC, FTT, elections. Quite the week. Welcome. And please correct me if I pronounce your name wrong. Abena? Is that how it's pronounced? Welcome to the stream. Glad to have you. Oh, nice rise back up here. So gained about half of that move down back. Abina. Okay. Thank you. Blue Boy D, welcome. Glad to have you. So I like to ask new people questions, but never feel like you're obligated to answer. But I always like to know how long you've been trading. Are you trading with the prop firms or your own money? And what assets do you like to trade? But again, you can just tell me to shut up and mind my own business. Hey, Jazz. Uh, I would have no idea. Um, I've passed 5 top steps this year. I passed the MyFundedFutures, but blew that one. I've had a couple other evals that I've blown, so I have no idea. Definitely not a phenomenal trader. I'll believe I'm a phenomenal trader once I start getting some payouts. Yeah, I trade NQ mostly as well, but she can definitely be problematic at times. Hanging around three different moving averages there. Reminder, if you're enjoying the stream, I'll appreciate if you ignore that like button for me. Let YouTube know that you're enjoying the stream. So recommend it to other people who might enjoy the stream. Thank you, Blue Boy. Appreciate it. Yeah, I know a bunch about it. If you go to my Discord and go down to FTT Unleashed, Rad, and scroll up just a little bit, you will see an invite to another Discord server that deals with it. Good morning, Platt. Now, we have a lot on the Discord that have reached payout. It's about people that are here. If you've had a payout in, uh, the thing is, one payout, while that is definitely an accomplishment, really what we're looking for is consistent payouts, not just a one and done. Pulls down. So back down, couldn't get higher. Can it take us higher? Sitting about 171. Who has weekend plans this weekend? Anyone doing anything fun? Right back down. So it came down, tried to come back up, but can't get further. It fell. Nice, Speed Racer. Anything in particular in New Hampshire, or just a little getaway? That sounds like fun, Shark. That's no fun, Eunice. And welcome to the stream. I don't recognize the name, so I'm assuming you're new, or I'm assuming I'm getting early onset Alzheimer's. I'm glad to have you. Again, I ask new people questions, but you can tell me to just shut up and mind my own business. But I love to know, how long have you been trading? What assets do you like to trade? And I'm assuming you trade with the prop firms versus your own money, but I probably shouldn't assume. That's cool. Yeah, Kellyanne's a good person, though. I like her. Just kind of hanging on the Bollinger Band here, 170. Hey, Rod, how you doing? Cool. Awesome, Eunice. Am I pronouncing your name right? If not, please correct me. My last name gets butchered so much, so I'm very try to be very cognizant about not butchering other people's names. Hey, John, how you doing? You back from the trip? It's been one heck of a week, John. Still falling? No, I haven't taken advantage of it. Honestly, I mean, except for the stream, I haven't been trading much. There's been so much going on in the prop world that, ugh. In case you haven't heard, John FTT collapsed. Fast track is no more. Okay, at our 5 minute chart, you can see the move down. I think we're gonna pop up a little bit here before moving back down. There's a little bit of a pop. Definitely a bit slower this morning than we've seen the rest of the week. It's welcoming John back. Yeah, I mean, I'm still upset with myself that I didn't abandon ship as quickly as I should have with them. But all right, good. I'm glad I am, Eunice. Thank you. Was the trip successful? Did you bag anything? Guys, I want to show you something since we're not really doing anything with the market right now. Give me 1 second. I paid someone on Fiverr that, hold on, paid someone on Fiverr to do a new intro for my videos. 1 second. It's here somewhere. There it is. There it is. Did an outro too. That's not as exciting. Awesome, John. Sounds wonderful. Yeah, he did a good job with it, considering I basically gave him like almost zero details and just told him to, you know, do it, figure it out. Morning, Christy. And I just need to set that up to start my videos each time. Uh, like 130. Still coming down. Came down to 157. Is that a new low? No. Yes. No. Not even close. 121. Why did I think? Oh, there's a pop. About 45 minutes till the bell. Or above the 9. I'm interested possibly. So I've lost my TradeDay window. There it is. Yeah, more wick than body right now. Nope. Definitely no longer interested there. Let's see what's everything else doing right now. Gold. It's kind of choppy mid-range. Oops, I didn't update that. Ultra bond. Everything looking kind of choppy this morning. Looks like we are popping up a little bit here. Yeah. So blue candle ended up working. I just didn't like it because of that big wick. I don't like big wicks, and I cannot lie. Okay. Gotta do something and totally forget what it was. Oh yeah, now I remember. Pulls back a little bit. Sitting on that 20. Does it want to get back up to that 200 EMA? We'll see if it gives us an entry. I'm Matt. Good to see you. How have you been, Imad? Nice rise up there on gold. There we go. It's a blue candle that I might be interested in. Took the long there. For now, we're going to target that 200 EMA and see if it gets there. Yawning today. I got to stop that. Dang. See, it might struggle here. It has to burst through this recent high, 173. Sitting at 172 right now. Target's 177. Back down to my entry. Struggling to get through. Got the 173. Come on. Give me one good push. About 8 minutes until the top of the hour. That's not looking good now. Looks like up, and then might whoosh. Nah, they were unsustainable from the start, I'm at. I'm actually going to do a video on just that subject. Looks like we're going to take the stop here. There we go. Nope, could not get back above, at least not yet. Would make sense. Can't keep going up forever. Meh. Do I want to try again? Do I want to try again? Why not? You only live once. I'll also be doing a video on that. That'd be the same video I just told I'll be doing. Basically, they didn't fail because of the instant funding model. They failed because, well, I have a notepad with 5 reasons, 6 reasons actually, of why they failed and why it was a default of actual direct to funded. That's one of them, yes. Well, and the thing is, I know I'll get blowback on it, but I know there's some people that think that they set this up to be a rug pull all along, and I don't believe that. I think exactly the opposite. Scott wanted Fast Track to be number one so bad that he made it so trader friendly that it was a problem. I've always said, even years ago, I was already saying, people always point out, well, I don't like this prop firm for this reason or this reason. Stop that again. I'm not going to try that long anymore. Anyway, I don't like this prop firm because this reason. If only they could be like this, this, and this. I've always said, if you ever find the perfect prop firm with all the perfect rules that you want, that's the one that's going to fail. And that's exactly what happened here. The no commissions, the basically no rules, No, there was no safeguards, no nothing, and there was no path alive. Uh, that change happened a few weeks ago. I have a video up on that as well. You're allowed to DCA again with Apex. Apex is also coming out with direct to fund it sometime later this month. Probably later this month. Yeah, I mean, that was the other thing. I mean, he did allegedly buy cars and watches with FTT money. I was, that was another problem, but right now there's for instant funded, there's 4 prop firms in the space that I recommend. There's 2 right now. I'm going to tell people that they really need to be really cautious of, and there's 2 or 3 others that I don't know enough about yet to say one way or the other. There's the top of the hour, sitting at 121, 163. ES is at 59.98, just under 6,000. Pushing down. Here's where I need to adjust faster. This was a perfect short setup, and I got stopped out and didn't think about the fact that I could have got in short. Back down, hits 157. Hey, Gary, did you hit the little thing in your dashboard to let them know you passed? It's usually within 24 hours. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, I'll give it up to 48. And if not, if for some reason something weird happens or you don't get it, their support is very good. Nice pop here on the blue candle. Want to trust another long. I have a lot I want to get done this weekend. I hope I can get it done. Totally gonna redo the morning discount videos. Gonna have like 5 videos that I want to do. I have, let's see, later on today, I have an interview for the channel with the CEO of Phoenix Trader Funding. Next Thursday, I have an interview with the CFO of TicktickTrader. I met TickTick is totally Morocco friendly. They even have an office down there. Sitting here at 161. Popping up. Well, we're going to be instituting some more safeguards as well. Um, any firm that doesn't have a confirmed path to live will be getting a warning label. Um, New firms, if I decide to promote a new firm, will have a warning label. If there is a confirmed path to live, they'll have an approval seal. Try to do that on any advertising and such. Hope it continues to drop for you, Ahmed, but that doesn't look good. Um, yeah, we're gonna and you know, I have the potential of having several other interviews as well with people from the industry. Continue working on that as well. And all this was starting to be put in place even before the fast track died. This is actually more. It was coming for two reasons. One, just because it's time to start with all these new firms. Potentially 20 to 30 more new ones coming. We need a way to start watching for bad actors. And number two, because of the impending CME regulations. So Flexytrade, as of right now, I can't recommend them much because they have no confirmed path to live. We've asked them, they've kind of give a non-answer. So, morning, RJ. How you doing? Sorry to hear that, Ahmed. Hits the 200 EMA, pops back down. Can't get through that 200, just kind of hanging there. Is it going to reject? How we all doing? 32 people here. Holy crap. If you're finding us for the first time, welcome. I appreciate you being here. Always feel free to join us in the chat. We got good, friendly people here most of the time. Always feel free to ask questions, make comments. Hey, David, how you doing? And of course, I appreciate if you'll gore that like button for me if you're enjoying the stream. YouTube, continue to know that people are enjoying it. Oh, I wasn't planning to, William, but you foiled my plot. No. What happened to your A, William? You used to be William A. They didn't steal your A, did you? Did they? Morning, Ace. Yeah, I was joking, William. I know that. I know. How are you doing today, Ace? And that's already been set up. There's multiple places to do that at right now, William. Ace, I have to remind you that today is Friday. Blue candle here trying to break through the 200 EMA. I am doing pretty good. That's not good, Ace. Morning, USC. Good to see you. How are you today? So nice little rise up. I didn't take that blue candle coming off there. I just didn't trust it. But we shall see. Bell is coming up in about less than 15 minutes. Yep, and a lot of those people have already been contacted. There's already stuff being coordinated, William. All right, Abina. We'll see how that plays out. All right, Ace is going long, looking for his two. Good morning, Crypticon. How are you on this lovely morning? Hi, G-Man. How you doing? Hmm. I didn't see it on my server at all, Crypt. Are you in any other server besides your own? I mean, they might have erased their, they. Oh, no, I know what it was, Crypt. Someone tagged you last night, and they on my server and deleted the message, and then I banned them. Ace. Yeah, the guy was very rude in reply to you. I warned him if he ever was like that to any other member of my Discord again, I'll ban him. So he called me a few nice names and left. Not quite. It was odd because he called me bald. He's like, I don't care, you fat bald F word. You'll never make it in trading. So I understand the fat because yeah, I'm fat, but the bald thing didn't make sense to me at all. 10 minutes until the bell. Well, I don't accept that kind of behavior on MightyOxTrading ever. So they went bye bye. And he uses a earn the trade, uh, their little robot guy, whatever, as his avatar. So he's gonna end up making earn the trade look bad. So I let Gabs from earn the trade know about it. He might end up finding himself banned there too. The Discord has blown up. We're up to 1,500 people. The channel, the YouTube channel, we're up to almost 3,100. Yep. And I am, and the growth is helping me like reach industry execs. Like I said, I got C-suite interviews with two different companies coming up in the next few days. Guys, since you guys weren't here earlier, I'm going to play this again real quick. I got a new intro for my videos, and I know some of you don't watch my videos, so I'm going to play it again here so y'all can see it because I like it. Give me 1 second. Uh, yeah, where's my software? There it is. Too many things on my screen. I need more screens. Check this out. I'll start going the front of all my videos. Thanks, Ace. The guy did a good job with it. We are like 5 minutes to the bell. I have that purple candle there right because of the 5 minutes till wonkiness. I'm not taking it. I'll work on that. Glad I didn't take that purple. Hey, livestock. Good to see you. How are you doing today? RJ Wheel, RJ Wheel. Ace is wanting you. RJ Wheel to the courtesy desk, please. Yeah, it's a shame with FTT. Fast track trading, Ace. The I really like doing ads for Fast Track Day. I was able to do some really cool stuff with the AI. Of course, I did really like the thumbnail I did yesterday too. Yes, Ace. Livestock, they made it that the 5% only works if you pay by plaid. It's $1,500 in small bills to a post office box, USC. Ask and ye shall receive. Oh, I forgot the 2 minute thing. I'm gonna be working on a Christmas themed 2 minute warning. Now, USC, when we get that one rude person a year that needs banning, you got to be on the watch for them. Are we ready for the bell? That guy's been gone for 6 months and he still hasn't forgotten that. Ace is going to be 105 with total Alzheimer's, dementia in a nursing home, and he's just going to continue to blurt out about guy pooping in the shower. Look at this boom here at the bell. 20 points up to 21,205. What is our high day? It's quite a ways away, right? 263. We had a guy here that was kind of living in a actually a national forest, and I guess if I remember right, he didn't have he used some sort of recycled rainwater for his shower and to poop, he pooped in the shower and stomped it down the drain. And he admitted this right here in the stream. Yeah. Yeah. And it's obviously left, an impression on Ace's mind. All the new people that we just got here in the stream have just left. Quickly pulls back here down. We got up to 216, pull back by about 14 points. He disappeared. He was moving from the California forest to someplace in New Mexico or Arizona, and I haven't heard from him since. He was USC is gonna resign or wrench, leave, and never come back. Yeah, he was a nice guy. I will admit that. Just a little odd. Yeah. Well, he was using Starlink, I think. Still rising back up to 218. Yes, that is a day that will live in infamy. Good job, Ace. Ace gets his 2. 2 points a day can feed a family. And again, reminder, Ace, that it's Friday. Also, a reminder that we do have news. We have news at the top of the hour. University of Michigan? University of Michigan sentiment preliminary. Don't know where Michigan is. Huh. RJ's back. Ace. Probably just as Ace needs to go out for the bus. Purple candle. Do I want it? I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Ooh, that's a big purple candle, though.
Order filled.
Short off the purple. Not going to go for a big one, but it looks like it's going to it's not going to go for me anyway. Coming right back up. Yep. Yeah, I'm toast. Burnt toast, I believe. You notice Ace RJ says good morning to his YM people first now.
Stop filled.
Stopped out. Moving on up. I hate this. I hate the fact that it stopped me out coming right back down. Are you back on the iPad for typing, RJ? As we come back down, congratulations, Gary. Was it green? Green is green, barely or not. I don't like this price action so far. Hey, so let me know if anything ever arrives in the mail in the next couple of days. For some reason, I'm tracking the tracking number and it hasn't moved. Do people normally send you bombs and diapers there, Ace? All right, we'll see you, Ace. Wow. There's people that joined this stream today for the first time ever. They're like, what the heck did we join? I want this purple candle to finish below the 9, and it looks like it's not going to. Well, it
Order
did, kind of.
filled.
Nope, bounced. Oh, there we go. Come on down. Nope, bounced again. Let's take a quick move to the 20. That'd be nice. Come on. Come on, baby. Don't be shy. It's being shy. Bina, are you still here? How's your thesis working out about your with your higher high?
Order filled.
There we go. That's a target hit. There we go. 9 points. I thought I wasn't able to ever win a trade again. Gold's pulling down. I could have got more out of that trade, but I didn't want to. I didn't want to be greedy. Oh, nice. Do you have a target on that, Albina? Dow shooting up. Not like drugs. I mean, it's like going up. All right. Bounces. Gold trying to bounce. Crude trying to bounce. NQ kind of hemming and hawing here at 187. It's a 187 on an NQ trade. I don't know. That sounded better in my head as I was starting to form, and I just lost it. Reminder, if you haven't gored that like button, I would appreciate if you do. No judgment if you don't, but maybe there will be. Blue candle kind of playing with my brain here. Another blue candle. Now we're cooking with some gas. Ooh, big blue candle. I like big candles, and I cannot lie. These other traders can't deny. Sorry to hear that. It stopped in profit. Were you trailing it, or is it break even? Personal question.
Order filled.
We're long off that blue candle that really wasn't a good blue candle, and it's probably gonna screw with me. Good. I'm glad to hear that.
Stop
Ouch.
filled.
Stopped out. It wants to chop around. My mama told me we're gonna chop around. It's trying again. Wants to entice me. Rising up. 5 minutes till news. Boom, 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 boom. Trying to continue to grind. Yep, but the CME's open. It's a full day of trading as far as I'm aware. Pulls back. News coming in just a few. Purple, do I want it? Do I want it? Do I want it? I think I do.
Order filled.
Yeah, come on, back down. It's playing with me. It went like 7 points. Come on down. You kidding me? Let's move our target to 10 points. I'm in at 206. We'll go for 196. Another purple candle, or it was. We got a minute and a few seconds, about a minute 30 till news. I will not hold during news, I don't think. Hoping it just gives me a nice burst down. Retreats again. Back to my entry. That doesn't look good. 20 seconds.
Order filled.
Took it off for a 10 tick loser. Watch it burst down here on the news. First up, although not to where my stop was at that. News isn't really going one way or the other. There we go. Definitely glad I got out. Just watching. Waiting for something. Nice job, John. Ace, I think you should write them a strongly worded letter, but what are you doing anyway? Are you taking another trade, Ace? Soybeans. Are you in a soybean trade there, RJ? Oh, wow. Soybeans have taken off. How we doing out there, guys? Are we red or green going into the final hour of the stream? I didn't mean to rhyme that. Do I want this blue candle? Let's vote. No, I'm kidding. Nope, blue candle went away. The market voted. And the market always wins. Push it down. Yep, very good. Glad to hear that, Albina. Wow. All right, that's a whoosh. I do livestock, not as many as I should because I haven't really done it. But Mr. California. Oh my God, he was going to be so upset that I said that. Mr. Canadian futures trader bought me a Stream Deck XL for my birthday back in September, and allowed me to add some things to the stream. Most likely next weekend, I'll be adding some Christmas sounds to the stream. I never got around to adding the Halloween sounds, but hopefully one day I'll get more uh, organized. Uh, oh, big drop here. Yep. The only thing I have really hooked up is a whoosh. I had a cha-ching for a winning trade, but I broke it somehow. It doesn't work anymore. But there's a blue candle. Does it want to bounce? That's a big bounce. Who had a channel?
Order filled.
Took the long there and it's immediately chasing me back down. Oh, there's a pop. Back up. No, pop back down. Oh, yeah, he did. I mean, I could probably find it if I really wanted to. Yeah, this isn't working. I could look back 2 years ago, my Gmail. I don't delete any of my emails. Ooh, gold dumping. Natural gas rising. It's gonna get stopped out on this NQ trade. Whoa, really?
Stop filled.
Oh, now I'm stopped out. I thought it was going to bounce go right off one tick off of my target. I mean, my stop. But never mind. Last 2 days have been absolutely horrible for me. Still falling. Yeah, it's all right. Not a big deal. I'll just cry myself to sleep tonight and everything will be fine. Let's try to play here, but let's see. What's perfect, Crypt? Hang in here. Wow. Great job, Crypt. Sitting right on the 9. Thought about it. Decided not to. I want to thank everyone for being here today. We have about 45 minutes left. Been a tough week, long week. Remember, feel free to join us in the chat here. It's kind of choppy here. So should we just start the stream at 10:30 for now on? Or? Peppermint or spearmint? Yeah. Yeah. I wouldn't know what to do if I could start sleeping till 9:30 my time. Here we go. Now it's coming up. You're stuck? Oh, thought you sat in crazy glue. Sorry, I got distracted for a minute. Up, back up to 203, breaks 200, now sitting right on it. Do apologize that I occasionally get distracted with the Discord or something. Pulls back. Oh, it's kind of partially my brain. I really do feel I am that I have ADD, but it's never been diagnosed. Um, I constantly go back and forth between 10 things. You know, it's like check this, check that, check that. It's kind of why I miss trades. You know, people think I miss trades because of of streaming, but it's really just because my brain just does that. Oh yeah, soybeans really dumped. Bitcoin going for its all-time high again. Crude oil. Wow, look at crude. Try to hang on to 70. I mean, there's times I really wish I was USC like that, you know, because it does. It's a good and a bad thing. You know, the fact that I can like handle a Discord conversation and watching watching the chat here and watching the charts and responding to someone on my phone is good, but yet I have often wondered if I could just find the focus to focus on a singular chart for 3 hours, would my trading be better? And it's probably a yes. There's a nice pop on the blue candle. Let's see if it holds. I'm not as good at it as I used to be. There was back in the day. I was running something called an eFed, which was
Order filled.
basically creative writing based on professional wrestling. But anyway, and this was back in the days of AOL Instant Messenger. And I literally would be in 20 different conversations at once, going back and forth, talking to people. Come on, just go for me here. You know you want to. Just get back up to where we were. When I say 20 conversation, I mean 20 different chat windows. Yeah, it's that plus being diabetic. If my blood sugars are messing around, then my brain power isn't as good. Oh man, last time something was on fire, I had to pay to have the smoke alarms reset. Come on, run for me. Come on. We have beasts setting things on fire. Wonderful. This is what happens. I make USC a mod, and suddenly we have beasts setting things on fire. This trade is just like, ugh. I hate this trade.
Order filled.
I'm out. I don't think it's going to go. Of course, now it's going to burst up. I ended up getting 6 ticks. Up there it went. I should have stayed in. I hate that. Another blue candle. Are we gonna rise up now? Less than 30 minutes to go in the week. Hopefully we have some major changes to MightyOxTrading over the weekend that I will be announcing. Hey, let's see. Pulls back. Pulls back. Down to the 200. So 20 minutes ago, how's that your week? This has been a wild week with the elections and FOMC and all. Are we finishing red or green for the week? Are you red or green on your sim trading this week? Oh, sorry to hear that, Platt. Sounds like progress, USC. Absolutely. Feel free. You never had to feel like you had to trade NQ. There's nothing wrong with being on the mic with me and us trading different instruments and maybe giving a new perspective to somebody, RJ. That said, you've made a heck of a lot of money trading NQ on stream with me, RJ. Hey, I resemble that remark, Ace, and I'm not happy about it.
Order filled.
Shorting that purple. Ah, and that purple just gonna bite me. This is my last trade of the day.
Stop filled.
Absolute destruction today. How you doing, G-Man? You don't talk much. Had a good day today? Good week? Great. Glad to hear that. Any luck on that, William? So, William, speaking of canned responses from live chat agents, Flexytrade claims they have a live account, but I don't believe them. 15 minutes ago on the stream. Well, if they had Tradeivate, it's Tradeivate. If they have Project X, it's plus 500. But the tricky thing is there, William, is just because they have they have Tradeivate available doesn't mean they're actually moving anybody to those to a live account. Nice job, USC. Yes, it is. All-time highs. Wow. Holy Hannah. 138 points on this candle. 95 on the previous. Yep, all-time highs. And look at this since we bottomed out here on Monday. 41,803, 44, 166, 42, 43. What? That's about 2,500 Dow points since Monday night. Russell's also having a wonderful day. Oh no, never mind. Oh, that's a daily chart. Oops, sorry. Crude bounced a little bit. Gold. Uh, yeah. Nice little rise up. How comforting, huh, William? Just sitting here, about 7 minutes to go. rising up, back up to right around 200. Is the Dow ever going to stop? So later today, I'll be interviewing the CEO of Phoenix Trader Funding. Watch for that interview to be posted probably Sunday or Monday. I'm not sure which yet. Pulls back. The 9. 5 minutes to go. Did it work out? Looks like we're going to end with a little bit of a whimper as it just kind of chops a little bit here. I want to thank everyone for joining me today and this week. It's been an interesting week here. Hopefully next week will be better. Monday is a holiday, but it's not a CME holiday, so we'll be here regular time. Probably have a slower day though, which might not be a bad thing. Enjoy your weekend, everybody. Hope everyone has a great one. We'll talk to you on Monday.